Local 4-H members are getting hands-on experience at the Goat Workshop to learn skills that they'll need as they prepare for the upcoming fair.
I am very proud to say I'm 66 years old, and I've been in 4-H since I was 8 years old. So 58 years. I was a youth. I've been a 4-H leader for 30 years. There wasn't always a lot of money or opportunities to do things, and 4-H gave me that opportunity. So I'm a firm believer of giving back to the organizations that helped me get to where I am in life. A few years ago, I judged 20 fairs in one summer. This year, I've cut back because I've taken on different responsibilities at my home fair, which is Shiawassee County Fair. I have loved meeting the kids from across the state and also down in Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois, and being able to impart some knowledge. There's things that you learn growing up in the industry that you want to share with the next generation. Book learning, YouTube videos, TikTok is great, but there's nothing like having your goat in the ring and having someone that has been where you are teaching you exactly what to do.
A typical day is, get up probably around 8:30ish, go out and do the animals in the morning, half a bale to a bale of hay. So we'll feed them good in the morning, do waters, then around afternoon, later, more towards evening, we'll go out and check on them all again. I start fall-ish before fair starts, so especially to start working with them training-wise so that they walk with you well and so that they get to know you.
3 years. I've been in 4-H for 3 years and it involved because it taught me a lot more about how to show animals.
This is my girl Ruthie, and she likes to play around with me. She is 3 months old because it's fun for me, and I like it because it makes me learn more with them.
I have been working with them for 2 years, I think, and I like watching them prance around in their pen. I do dogs, chickens, and rabbits as well. It helps me relearn and learn new strategies on how to show the animal.
I wanted to expand kind of my interest and expand my what I do with the 4-H. This is different because you have to know different steps, and it's different on how you interact. So what is different is how you have to corral them around, you have to walk them differently, and I do rabbits, so it's different, and you don't have to do all the different steps and stuff.
With fair season right around the corner, these young participants are putting in the hard work to ensure that they're ready. For Thumbcoast TV Channel 12 Port Huron, I'm Kaylin Williams.